Hi, my name is Dhananjay Kumar. In this video we'll learn that how could we set up Kendo UI in Visual Studio 2012. We'll set up Kendo UI in VS 2012 using NuGet package of Kendo UI. What I have done here is that I have created a new web application project in Visual Studio 2012. If you are new to Visual Studio, you can create a new project by selecting File, New and Project from the menu. Now we are going to add Kendo package in this project using NuGet. To add that, right click on the project and click on Manage NuGet Packages. In the Manage NuGet Package dialog box, in this Search Online text box, search Kendo UI Web. And here you see that you get Kendo UI Web NuGet package to install in your project. Click on the install to install that. And here you see that it will try to resolve dependency and other operations being performed by NuGet Manager to install Kendo UI Web NuGet package to your project. Once successfully installed, you get this right click beside the package name. Click on the close. Now if you go ahead and explore Solution Explorer, you find that in script folder you got a new subfolder called Kendo, and this folder contains all the required JavaScript file from the Kendo library. In the same way, if you go to Content folder, again it contains a Kendo subfolder and that contains all the required CSS file from the Kendo library. By verifying that these two folders are added in your project, you can say that you have successfully installed Kendo UI package in your web application project. To make sure that whether Kendo UI package has been successfully installed or not, let us go ahead and try to work with one of the Kendo UI widget, that is calendar widget. For that I am adding a HTML file in the project, and let us call it demo kendo.html and click add. Now go ahead and remove this namespace and change it to HTML5. Give some title, demo Kendo. The first thing which you need to put on this HTML page is the jQuery file. Go to scripts and here you got jQuery.min.js. Drag and drop that here. Next we need kendo.web.min.js. Drop that also as well here. We need these two JavaScript file to work with Kendo UI Web. Now we want to put some CSS. For that, go ahead and choose kendo.common.min.css and put it here. And then you may want to choose a specific theme. I'm going for kendo.silver.min.css. Select that and put that. So here we have added all the required reference we may need to work with Kendo UI Web. So far we have added all the required reference on the page Now let us go ahead and try to work with one of the Kendo UI web widget, that is calendar. To work with that, put a div element and give some ID. I'm giving it cal, and we are going to initialize this particular div element as calendar widget in the code behind, that is JavaScript, which I have written here. So once all the documents are ready in the DOM, we'll go ahead and say this div is Kendo calendar, and here you see that Kendo is supporting full IntelliSense in Visual Studio 2012. And that's it. We are just putting a very minimal calendar widget here to test that everything we configured correctly or not to work with Kendo in Visual Studio 2012. Now save it, choose a browser from here. I'm choosing Google Chrome, and press F5 to run this application. And here we can see calendar widget as the output on that HTML page. So this is all I had in this video that we can configure in just one or two simple steps Kendo UI on Visual Studio 2012. For more on Kendo UI, please do visit kendoui.com and follow Kendo UI on Twitter. Its handle is Kendo UI. Thank you so much for watching this video.